In today's fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is essential for success. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has proven to be a game-changer for businesses across various industries. In this article, we will delve into the world of AI and unveil 7 powerful tools that have the potential to skyrocket your wealth and success. From streamlining operations to enhancing customer experiences, these tools are set to redefine the way you do business. AI-powered customer relationship management (CRM) systems. In the competitive business arena, understanding your customers' needs and behaviors is paramount. AI-powered CRM systems take this to a whole new level. They analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights that drive personalized marketing strategies, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and, ultimately, increased revenue. Modern businesses operate in an environment saturated with data. The challenge lies in extracting meaningful insights from this wealth of information. AI-driven CRM systems excel in this domain. They sift through mountains of data, including customer interactions, purchase history, and demographic details, to paint a comprehensive picture of individual customer preferences and behaviors. Predictive analytics for strategic decision-making. Gone are the days of making decisions based on gut feeling. Predictive analytics, fueled by AI, empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions. By harnessing historical data and sophisticated algorithms, you can anticipate market trends, customer preferences, and even potential risks, giving you a significant edge in the market. Predictive analytics leverages the power of AI to uncover patterns and trends that may be imperceptible to human analysis. By processing vast datasets, these tools can identify correlations, outliers, and emerging trends with remarkable accuracy. This enables you to make informed decisions based on empirical evidence rather than intuition. One of the key benefits of predictive analytics is its ability to anticipate customer behavior. By analyzing past interactions, purchase history, and online engagement, AI-powered systems can generate precise predictions regarding future customer preferences. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your product offerings and marketing strategies to align with evolving customer needs. Chatbots. Your 24/7 virtual customer support. Customer service is a cornerstone of any successful business. With AI-powered chatbots, you can provide instant, round-the-clock support to your customers. These intelligent bots can handle a wide range of inquiries, freeing up valuable human resources for more complex tasks. The advent of AI-powered chatbots has revolutionized customer support. These virtual assistants are capable of understanding and responding to a wide array of customer inquiries in real time. Whether it's addressing frequently asked questions, providing product recommendations, or troubleshooting issues, chatbots offer a seamless and efficient customer service experience. Content optimization with natural language processing, NLP. Creating compelling and relevant content is crucial for online visibility. NLP-powered tools analyze language patterns, sentiment, and context to optimize your content for maximum impact. By understanding your audience on a deeper level, you can create content that resonates and converts. In the digital landscape, content is king. However, creating content that resonates with your target audience requires a nuanced understanding of language, context, and sentiment. This is where natural language processing, NLP, steps in. NLP-powered tools leverage AI to dissect and comprehend the intricacies of human language. These tools can analyze the sentiment behind customer reviews, social media interactions, and online discussions, providing invaluable insights into customer perceptions and preferences. By understanding the emotional undercurrents of your audience, you can tailor your content to elicit the desired response, whether it's building trust, evoking excitement, or addressing concerns. Moreover, NLP-powered tools excel in contextual analysis. They can discern the meaning behind phrases, idioms, and colloquialisms, ensuring that your content resonates with diverse audience segments. This level of linguistic sophistication enables you to craft messages that feel personalized and relatable, fostering a deeper connection with your audience. Additionally, NLP-driven content optimization extends to search engine optimization, SEO. By understanding the language patterns used in search queries, these tools can help you fine-tune your content to align with the intent of potential customers. This not only enhances your online visibility but also increases the likelihood of attracting qualified leads. Automated marketing campaigns for targeted outreach. Reaching the right audience with the right message is the cornerstone of successful marketing. AI-driven marketing platforms use sophisticated algorithms to segment your audience and deliver personalized campaigns. This not only increases conversion rates but also maximizes your ROI. In the era of information overload, capturing and retaining the attention of your target audience is a formidable challenge. Traditional mass marketing approaches often result in diluted messages that fail to resonate with individual consumers. AI-driven marketing platforms, however, revolutionize the way you engage with your audience. These platforms employ advanced algorithms to segment your audience based on a multitude of variables, including demographics, behavior, and preferences. This granular level of segmentation allows you to tailor your marketing messages to specific audience segments, ensuring that each message is relevant and compelling. Furthermore, AI-powered marketing platforms excel in dynamic content creation. They can generate personalized content variations based on individual customer profiles. Whether it's tailoring product recommendations, customizing email content, or delivering targeted advertisements, these platforms enable you to deliver a hyper-personalized experience to each customer. Financial forecasting for sound investment decisions. In the realm of finance, accurate forecasting is the linchpin of success. AI tools equipped with advanced algorithms can analyze financial data to provide precise forecasts and recommendations. This empowers you to make informed investment decisions that can lead to substantial financial gains. The world of finance is characterized by its intricate web of data points, market trends, and economic indicators. Making sound investment decisions requires a comprehensive understanding of this complex landscape. AI-powered tools equipped with advanced algorithms excel in distilling this wealth of information into actionable insights. These tools leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze historical financial data, market trends, and macroeconomic indicators. Through this analysis, they can identify patterns, correlations, and potential opportunities that may elude human analysis. This data-driven approach forms the foundation for accurate financial forecasting. Moreover, AI-powered financial forecasting tools are capable of scenario analysis. They can simulate various market conditions and economic scenarios to assess the potential impact on your investments. This enables you to make contingency plans and implement risk mitigation strategies, ensuring that your investments remain resilient in the face of uncertainty. Image and speech recognition for enhanced user experiences. User experience is paramount in today's digital landscape. AI-driven image and speech recognition technologies enhance user interfaces, making interactions more intuitive and seamless. This not only delights your customers but also sets you apart from the competition. In the digital age, user experience has emerged as a critical differentiator for businesses. Providing a seamless, intuitive, and engaging interface is essential for retaining and delighting customers. AI-driven image and speech recognition technologies play a pivotal role in elevating user experiences to new heights. Image recognition enables your applications to interpret and respond to visual input. Whether it's recognizing objects, interpreting facial expressions, or extracting information from images, this technology adds a layer of contextual awareness to your applications. This capability opens up a world of possibilities for creating interactive and immersive user interfaces. Speech recognition, on the other hand, empowers your applications to understand and respond to spoken language. This is particularly valuable in applications where hands-free interaction is crucial, such as in automotive systems, virtual assistants, and accessibility tools. By enabling users to communicate naturally through speech, you enhance the accessibility and convenience of your products or services. Conclusion. In today's competitive business landscape, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence is no longer a luxury, it's a strategic imperative. The 7 AI tools discussed in this article represent a transformative force that can propel your business to new heights of success. From understanding and engaging your customers on a personal level to making data-driven decisions and enhancing user experiences, these tools are poised to revolutionize the way you operate and thrive in the digital age. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.